G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Now, I talk a lot about how important it is for you to find a use case for Copilot in your specific role. And I talk to a lot of organizations and do a lot of work around understanding how people work and how Copilot can augment and improve the way that they do work and their processes. Now, I'm going to share a little use case, and it's going to be a really specific and really simple one for most of you. But for me, I found myself using Excel, and I'm not proficient at Excel, but I needed a way to quickly, replace text in a column of a big sheet. Now, I stopped and thought, how can Copilot help me in this instance? And I'm going to share just this little prompt to hopefully help you start to think about different ways in which you can use Copilot. So make it a habit. Stop, think, how can I improve this process and make it faster? Now, from the outset, it may be a little bit slower, but as you continue to develop these skills, it's going to speed up your processes and the way that you work. So let's just quickly jump in and I'll show you what I did. So you can see here, I've got a sheet of sales figures and different columns and things like that. Now, in this column B, what I wanted to do was I wanted to replace some text. So rather than me trying to work out how to do that, yes, I know there are some of you or most of you that do use Excel. Daniel, you just go up here and do this, and this. But for me, not using Excel, I didn't want to go and find out how to actually do that. So I turn to trusty Copilot and I say, can you please replace, if I can spell correctly, replace the text in column B from Australia to France, and I will hit send. And what Copilot's going to do, it's going to look at the data, it's going to find all the instances of Australia, and automatically it's going to just replace Australia with France. So you can see here, replace all Australia with France in the range B2 to B701. That's the column there. I will go apply, and you can see there it's applying, and all of a sudden my Australia values have been changed to France. So specific use case, might be really simple, but for me, saved me a lot of time. And that was how I used Copilot in Excel yesterday. Thanks for watching. See you next time.